Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're quickly going to do a size comparison between the Suunto 5 and the Vivoactive 4S.
Get strong.
On the left hand side we've got the Suunto, right hand side we've got the Garmin. So first of all, you can see Suunto does look a bit bigger screen wise or complete size than the Garmin. The screens are more or less the same size. On the sides, the Suunto does look a little bit thicker, but not too much. On this side, Suunto also has 5 buttons, where the Garmin Vivoactive only has 2 buttons, and it has a touchscreen. Suunto does not have a touchscreen. That's why it's got all the buttons. Suunto strap is quite a bit wider. It's compare it like that, they're all together like that, so you can see Suunto strap is a bit wider than the Garmin. The Suunto does feel like a more solid, rugged watch, where the Vivoactive 4S is more a lady's watch. It's smaller, it's refined. Let's do this side again. Now both heart rates are going crazy. There we go. Back of the watch, how the sensors are. Another side view. One thing as well is the Suunto has got the straps that curve, and obviously GPS sits here, which is outside the watch, where the Garmin has got the straps that can bend like that. So putting them down on a table, you'd have to put the Suunto down like that. Garmin can just go down normally. Yeah, there's not much else. Both very good watches. Thank you for watching.